In Vrindavan, morning light touched the flowers gently, the same garden where the little flower laughed yesterday, and where the curious cloud once floated down to meet Krishna. Little Krishna walked through the garden, humming softly and twirling his flute. Butterflies from yesterday followed him happily, still glowing from his blessing. Just then, Krishna heard a tiny cry from above. "Help! Help!" He looked up and saw a tiny yellow songbird sitting alone on a branch, shaking. Krishna stepped closer and asked, softly, "Why are you crying, little friend?" The bird whispered, "I lost my family. I don't know where they went." Krishna smiled, gentle and warm, the same smile he gave the laughing flower. He held out his hand. The songbird hopped onto Krishna's palm without fear. Krishna said, "Don't worry. Remember what the cloud and the flower learned? Love always brings everyone back together." He lifted his flute and played a soft tune, the same melody that made the flower giggle and made the cloud swirl. The tune floated through Vrindavan, over trees, over the river, through the fields. Soon, a flock of yellow songbirds appeared in the sky, following Krishna's music. They landed around him, chirping happily. The little lost bird flew into the middle of the group, finally home. Krishna smiled again. "When your heart is kind," he said, "Vrindavan will always guide you back." The whole garden glowed with soft light, as if remembering every moment with Krishna. The laughing flower, the curious cloud, the dancing butterfly, and now the joyful songbird.